What's the meaning of collagen? Collagen. Collagen.
Collagen. Collagen. Collagen is a naturally occurring protein that is found in the body's connective tissues, such as skin, bones, and cartilage. It provides structural support and strength to these tissues and helps maintain their elasticity. Collagen is also important for wound healing and the healthy functioning of organs like the liver and heart. However, the production of collagen decreases with age, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and other signs of aging. Some people turn to collagen supplements or skincare products to try to maintain or improve their collagen levels.